Okay, in this lecture I want to cover quickly about the images too. So images are also part of the mood setting. Okay, so to create a certain emotion, color and images are used mainly. Okay, so whether it might be a emotion of fear or emotion of happiness, you need to use the related image. That is the key. Like what is the message you are delivering, and accordingly what is the emotion you want to instill in your users. Related to that you need to use the image. Like for example, if you are delivering some marketing message, or if you are saying your services are good, so you can keep a model or marketing person who is very confident. All right, image of a marketing person who is very confident, to give that message to your users in a better way. Okay, so your users would feel as if they're talking to a person, right, when they see the image. So that is how you need to use the image, right? So if you go to this Google, and if you just type free stock images, you will find numerous sites which provide free stock of images. Like stock is just like they have all the images which you can use for free, especially if you are a startup company, and if you want to put some nice images in your websites, then this is the place you have to look for. So always whatever site you go, make sure you look for the license. So for example, the sites PixelS, here is the license. So if you see the license, they'll give what is allowed and what is not allowed, and mostly it will be free to use, and you will be able to change the images also in the Photoshop or so, like cut the background or use part of that image. So you will have that rights too, and some of the sites require attribution to be given, and some you can use freely without even giving attribution. Okay, so attribution is nothing but you will have to give credit to the site, the platform which is hosting those images, or you need to uh, give credit to the photographer. So how you need to give that credit will be explained in the license terms of that particular website. It might be a hover over of the image by using some alt text or something, right? So they will give you the HTML code to give the attribution, and you will have to give the attribution accordingly. Okay, so just make sure you are following the license terms properly. Okay, if you are using the free stock images. Okay, so that's all about images and how to use the images, and we'll move on to how to use the lines and shapes in the website design. Thank you.